Yeah, it's great to talk about it. It's really exciting development for Rockatek. It's something that we always knew we'd get to, but it was going to take time. We had to build the business up before we could invest our own time and resources into the Rockatek products. But yeah, this year, big launch of Rockatek products. We've got some great products to bring to the market. And it's really, to be honest, it's about practicing what we preach. We do some great work for our clients on their products, improving their products, bringing new products to market for those clients. And it's about executing those skills, that expertise for our own Rockatek products. And yeah, some great products that are going to come to the market this year. Really excited about it. Some of those products are products that will be deployed in the oil and gas and geothermal downhole drilling sector. There's some definite comparative similarities between those two sectors, the downhole oil and gas drilling and downhole geothermal drilling. But yeah, the three products actually that we hope to bring to market this year, applicable for both for steerable drilling tools, and there's also quite a lot of work on a product related to mitigation of downhole dynamics. We all know how damaging that is. Rockatek have talked about, HFTO and backwards whirl and all of those downhole vibrations. And one of the tools is a really important product in that area. Client bespoke products is really important. It's been a big part of Rockatek and it will continue to be so. That area is all about the client coming to Rockatek with a design specification that it might fill a gap within their product portfolio. We've worked with those clients and they recognize our ability to design and develop products from the ground up. So they would come to us with a design specification, what they want to fulfill within that. And really, it depends how far that client wants to go. We've got clients that give us complete responsibility for that project from start to finish. We would do all the design work, we'd do all the analysis, we'd actually get the parts made. We would assemble those parts at our workshops, and if the client wants to, we test it as well. So it fulfills the three aspects of Rockatek that we always talk about: design, analysis, and testing. Some clients want us to work in collaboration with their engineering teams and we'll work side by side with them. Some clients may not have the biggest engineering team, or they might be at capacity. Generally, I would say on average, it's somewhere between a 12 and 24-month project to do that, to bring a brand new product to market. We've done that for a couple of clients. We're in the middle of that with 2 clients at the moment. And yeah, it's really exciting. It's great to have the trust from those clients to let us get on with that and deliver them successful products to market. Yeah, the launch of Rockatek Products is really exciting for the business. It's something we all have to kind of keep a lid on it because it is so exciting. We're really looking forward to it. But yeah, those products have been in development, for the last couple of years in the background. And this is just the year we bring them to market, but a lot of the hard work is kind of already done, if you like. We're in our 6th year of Rockatek now, and we always knew we'd get to this point. We wanted to get to this point where we could have a separate division of the business that was our own products that we design and we bring to market. We knew it was going to take us time for the business to allow us to invest that time and resource to doing that. The consultancy business carries on alongside that. So yeah, the hard work's done. We've got 3 products that we've worked on and hope to bring to market, and they are predominantly going to be used in the downhole oil and gas and geothermal drilling sector. Can't go into too much detail on exactly what they are for good reason, but yeah, great products. And it's about practicing what we preach. We know what we're good at. We do that for clients, and obviously we want to do that for ourselves, and we want to do that for Rockatek. So detailed mechanical design, electromechanical design products that we have a huge level of confidence in. And yeah, it's going to be really great to bring them to market this year. Yeah, the third-party collaborations is something that really started last year. We were approached by 2 companies. They came to us and they wanted to utilize our expertise of mechanical engineering, design, analysis, and test capability. Those 2 companies brought other things to the party, but between the 3 companies, we all recognized that we could work collaboratively to bring an exciting product into the renewable energy sector. A lot of the hard work's been done on that in the background. The design is complete and we're in the prototype testing phase at the moment. So yeah, it's really exciting when you can work with other companies that have got the same level of expertise as you, but in different areas, electrical companies, or there's another company that deal predominantly in software and firmware, so they bring their expertise to the party. So that's an important part of Rockatek Products division. We like collaboration. We like working with other companies. So to have that as part of the Rockatek products, alongside our own products that are solely developed by Rockatek is really important. And it just gives you a bit more diversity, I guess, in the products division. So yeah, really exciting time in that area as well. When a client makes an inquiry, it generally is based on a specification that they've come up with and they feel is the way they're going to fill a gap within their portfolio. What we tend to do for most clients is what we call a landscape review. So the first thing we'll do is we will critique the market for similar products in that area that I guess the client is going to try and compete with and ultimately be competitive with. So we'll sweep the market, we'll put all the information together of different products within that sector, what they do, their price point, their pros and cons, like a SWOT analysis. We tend to always do that, go back to the client with that. And to be honest, 9 times out of 10, that tends to alter the specification that the client's got. And they generally leave that responsibility with us for us to suggest the changes they need to make to the specification. Once that process is complete, we then slowly move the project into our own sort of internal Rockatek project plan process and how we develop design projects. And the client is very happy with that. And again, how you manage that project with the client is an agreement we come up with, but generally speaking, we'll be having bi-weekly update meetings with the client, updating them with what we're doing. They're fully aware of how we're handling the project. And it works really well. So they basically put out their trust in us for us to, I guess, critique what they think they need for the market. We come back to them and we meet somewhere in the middle.